Hello everybody, this is Tyler from Pocket, and welcome to my guide on how to install the Hyperdimension Neptunia Rebirth 2 HD Live 2D sprites. Man, that's a mouthful. Alright, as you can see right here, I have a kit server executable. Don't worry about that right now. First thing that you want to do is, have Hyperdimension Neptunia Rebirth 2 installed. And once you have it installed, I moved the kit folder out here just so I could show you. You should have just a bare thing. Don't worry about anything about the kit server. I got rid of the folder just so I could show you how to do it properly. But once you have that installed, you want to go to this guide right here on the Steam community. If you go to Hyperdimension Neptunia in your Steam library, hit guides. Well, I have a guide right here. Apparently it's getting popular. You want to go to modding or configuration and go to this modding thing right here. Follow this guide and download the kit server, basically. You need to get the kit server, otherwise it won't work. You want to have this mega link up here, which I'll try to see if I can put in the description below. If you don't see it there, then just go to that guide and download the kit server. But anyways, follow that guide to install the kit server, or to get this Nep2 modding thing. Where is it? Alright. And you'll have a folder that's... Download it. I already have it downloaded and extract it somewhere. I have it in my downloads thing right here. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to this kit server. Don't worry about anything else here. You most likely will never need to use it. You want to get this stuff. Read the README real quick. That's on the other thing. You see this stuff right here that it tells you like what stuff does and yada yada yada. Don't worry about that. You want to take everything, copy it, and you want to put it into your Neptunia folder right here. Just hit paste. I'm going to replace some stuff, but you shouldn't have anything that needs to be replaced here. I'm just going to skip it because I already have everything I need in there other than the kit folder. So it's going to give me the kit server text and then the kit server folder. This kit server text, see this stuff here? Yeah. What you want to do is you want to get rid of it. In my Let's Play, you could see that I had some weird Japanese text on some of the stuff. Yeah, that's what's causing it, so just get rid of that. Now you have a kit folder with data and DLC. Now you want to go into the data folder and have this open. And then you want to download the Rebirth 2 HD sprites from my drive. I'll have that link in the description below. Hit download. Don't worry, there's nothing bad in there. And you will come across something that is similar to... I didn't plan this one out. You'll have this folder this file right here. I'm gonna just cut it out of there. And I'm gonna put it into kit folder, data. You wanna have it in here, open it using whatever archive thing that you wanna do, and then extract it into here. Let that do its thing. And once you have that done, you wanna go back and you want to open up the kit server exe file right here. Sorry about that. And once you start the game up, you want to go to any save file that you have. I'll just go to this one right here because this is just the most convenient one. And you want to go to any event that you have that you can access. And for me, this one is the K event right here with Brave. God damn it. And look, K looks pretty good. Don't you think? And included, I also got the 4 felons. That wasn't originally in the Let's Play, but I got the 4 felons because they actually work, so now they're in this one. So enjoy. Now I'm just gonna get out of here. And that's... There we go. I had to click OBS again for some reason. Alright. Oh, and once that's done, you got the good sprites done. Woohoo! So I hope you guys enjoy that tutorial. That's quick and simple. It's not going to take long for you to do it as long as you follow those steps right there. And have some fun nepping through your next Rebirth 2 playthrough. I plan on having the HD stuff on Rebirth 3 going for when I do it. So, yeah. And if requested... I'll also get the Rebirth 1 sprites done as well, but that's probably going to take a while, and I'll have a video up once I have them done. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.